Cincinnati and northern Kentucky's hills are rich with shale deposits. Shale is made up of clay and other minerals. You can collect it to make your own soft, workable clay body. To process the clay you collect it, mix it with water in a bucket and crush it into a paste. Once it's the consistency of pancake batter, pass this clay slurry through a strainer or a screen at least twice to get any rocks, leaves, or bugs out of the clay. Allow the filtered mixture to sit in a bucket for a week or two until all the clay settles to the bottom. Then, after siphoning off the excess water, pour it onto a potter's plaster slab until it starts to solidify. Once it's at a desirable consistency, wedge all that clay out to release any air bubbles. Now you have a viable material. So build whatever you'd like. For storage, wrap your lump of clay in a plastic trash bag to keep it from fully drying out. And if it does completely dry out, just repeat this whole process and experiment with the process. I found my Kentucky clay to do well in the kiln at Cone 05, but all clay bodies are different and they have different needs, so experiment and have fun.